Hi, and welcome to cloudacademy.com's video series on Google Cloud Platform, The Basics. In this video, we're going to take a very brief look at the gcloud command line tool that's installed together with the Google Cloud SDK. While it's true that you can do a great deal from the browser console in Google Compute Engine, there are times when you're going to want to access your account and manipulate some of the configuration in your account from your own command line interface on your own computer. Google has made available a command line tool that simplifies this process. First, we'll use the command curl. Curl returns the contents of a web page. We'll return the contents of sdk.cloud.google.com and then pipe that to bash, where an interactive install process will be initiated. We're given the option of specifying a directory where we'd like Google Cloud SDK to be installed. We'll just choose the present directory. We're asked if we'd like to allow anonymized data associated with our use of the SDK to be collected by Google to improve their service. In my case, I'm perfectly happy with that. We're asked to specify which programming language we're likely to be using the most in the Google Compute Engine. We'll just for now specify no app engine at all, and we can always change that later. The system environment variable of my local computer are usually specified in a file, actually a hidden file, in the home users directory. The most likely place to look is .bashrc, and we'll agree to have that be the source of default environment variables. Would we like to add the command line interface, specifically the gcloud command, to our path so that we can actually invoke gcloud from anywhere in our system and not necessarily from the folder where it's found? And I very much would like that. It makes life a lot easier. Would we like our profile to enable bash completion? And we most certainly would. That means when we are in the middle of typing a long bash command, we can use tab to try to guess and anticipate what we're actually trying to do. This can really speed up the use of the command line. So I definitely am interested in enabling bash completion. We're done. Everything seems to be set up. We will, of course, as it says, have to log out and create a new shell for the changes to take effect. To log into our GCE account from our terminal session on a local computer, we'll have to authenticate. We do that with gcloud auth login. We'll enter our password, and we will authorize Google to access various resources on our computer for the purpose of enabling all the command line interface tools. We will accept, and we're logged in. Now that we've authenticated, we'll just demonstrate one or two very brief commands from the command line. First, gcloud, to tell our system that we're going to invoke the gcloud program. Config, set project. We are going to set the working project that every subsequent command will access to exploration, which is the name of our only project. That seems to have worked. Besides that, it can be very useful to access the gcloud help file, which can point you often in the right direction, either for accessing more help or giving you the precise answer you're looking for.